Hey guys, what's up? My name is Mikko, this is Project Boxy, and today we are going to prepare one really interesting pasta dish. And what makes this pasta dish so interesting is the media attention it has got over the past few days. Let me introduce baked feta and tomatoes pasta. Let's do this. So this pasta has actually been in the news for the last couple of days, at least here in Finland. I'm not sure if it made it to the New York Times or The Sun yet, but I'm definitely going to find out if it should. The founder of this pasta, Jenni, she's a local food blogger. I will put a link below in the description so you can check her blog out. Fake news or not, let's get going. So this is what we have for the ingredients. 200 grams of feta cheese. I got 600 grams of cherry tomatoes, 1 red chili, fresh basil, spaghetti, salt and pepper, and olive oil. Wow, the ingredients are so simple. Let's get to work. There is not really much preparations here. You only have to cut the chili. Jenni is using only half of the chili, so that's what I'm gonna do too. And I will leave the seeds in. Okay, that's all you gotta do before you heat it in the oven. And now let's go in the baking dish with all the ingredients. We start with a little bit of olive oil. We place in the feta cheese on top of the olive oil. We put the tomatoes in. Now the chili goes on top of the feta cheese. Then good amount of olive oil. Now make sure all the tomatoes are getting some olive oil. Then a bit of pepper and salt. And look at this, we are ready to go into the oven. Bake in the middle of the oven at 200 degrees for 15 minutes. Okay, when the time is up, crank up the oven to 225. Put the roast mode on and move the tray to the top part of the oven. Set the timer to 10 minutes and start preparing the pasta. In the meanwhile, keep close eye on the oven, as you don't want anything to burn here today. Okay, we have some nice bubbling action there. Nice color on the chilies and the tomatoes. Soon ready to take it off the oven. Looks delicious. Smell is good. The pasta is ready. Let's combine the two. And then we mix it all together. Oh wow, the smell is amazing. And now let's plate it. Let's put a little salt on top, little parmesan cheese, basil, and a drizzle of olive oil. And look at this. Okay, this thing looks good. Right, so here we are. Pasta in our hands. It looks absolutely beautiful. The smell is good. Now there's only one thing left to do. The taste test. Okay, let's do this. I try to get a bit of everything here. Tomato, chili, feta cheese is all over. Okay, this is good. Okay, let's make one thing clear here. This is no fake news. Wow! I'm actually really surprised how creamy it turned out. The texture of the feta changed completely in the oven. It has got this creamy, tangy taste. Tomatoes giving it a little sweetness, and you can taste a hint of chili there. Excellent. Just remember to use fresh, quality ingredients, and you are doing very well. Well done, Jenni. Remember to check out her blog Liemessä. I will put a link down below. I absolutely love easy recipes like this. Your oven and pan is doing all the hard work for you, so you have more time to enjoy other things. Cooking is no rocket science. Okay, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Please leave a comment down below if you're gonna try this recipe out. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more. See you next time.